Maybe we should go back. Yeah, I don't think we got enough food for the whole journey. Well, I'm definitely not going back there. Who knows what might happen to us if he actually caught us? Seriously!
Okay, let's keep going. According to the map, the Grace River is just up ahead, and then it should only be a couple more hours to the cave.
The Grace River. We spent much of our summer there swimming, fishing, and just hanging out. It was a beautiful spot, but on a bad day, this area could also be particularly cruel. In fact, one year, the bridge was totally washed away by a huge storm.
This could be a problem.
You've got to be kidding me. Well, that's it, I guess. At least we tried, right?
Wait!
Why can't Raven just fly us over?
Because you guys are way too heavy?
We've come all this way. There has to be another way across.
Okay, seeing as we're already here, let's split up and have a look around. Don't go wandering off too far, though. And call out if you find something!
Guys, over here! I found something! Well, you don't see that every day.
Okay, hurry up and follow me, guys. I don't know how long this tree will hold us for.
This doesn't seem particularly safe. Sapphire, stop thinking and start moving. Okay. Hey, wait for me. Guys, help! Seriously! Rusty!
Guys, we need to help Rusty now. Sapphire, you stay here.
But
This isn't up for discussion.
help! Grab onto my tail!
You've got to be kidding me. Hold on, all of you!
I don't think they really have much choice.
Grab on, Rusty. We're only gonna get one shot at this. This tree is about to go.
I don't think I can. I'm slipping.
Grab on and don't you let go.
Almost there. Wow, this would make a great animated TV show. Thanks, Raven. If you weren't here...
I said you guys would need me. And hey, what are friends for?
Friends? Really? I don't think this is heaven, because I'm sure you guys wouldn't be there.
Snap out of it, Rusty. You weren't gonna die.
Enough with the dramatics. Let's get out of here. I'm so never coming to this river again.
I think it was about then that our exciting little walk in the forest started to feel a lot more like it was a giant hike up an explosive volcano. And, well, things had only just begun to get more complicated.
Until